Assalamu alaikum sixth class. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So today is our lecture about grammar portion. So guys, you know that in our previous video of grammar we have done with our adjectives. Today we will do the comparison in adjectives. Okay. So before starting our topic, let's take a short overview of the definition of adjective. That what was adjective? An adjective qualifies a noun telling us something specific about it. An adjective is a describing word and placed next to the noun it describes. So yes, here is the definition of adjectives. So yes, what is an adjective? It is something which tells us about the quality or quantity of something. Okay, so if we talk about the comparison of adjectives, then it gives the five types of comparison. Okay, so let's see what are that five types. Let's discuss our example number one, that if we are comparing two persons at a higher level, noted I am talking about higher level, not highest, and we are talking about their height, so we will add er with the tall. Okay, then our word will become taller. So this is the example on higher level. Sadia is taller than Saim. This is the example at higher level. So our next example is about comparison at a lower level. So we are talking about lower, not lowest. Here Saim is shorter than Sadia. So we have put er with short. So our word now is shorter. Saim is shorter than Sadia, and this is the example at a lower level. But if we talk about the same level, which is example 3, we will not add er or est with the word. We will just write it as tall as. So our third example is Atika is as tall as Maria. Okay, and here the same are the highest comparison and the lowest comparison. The only thing we have to do is to put est with the words in both the comparison, like tallest or shortest. In highest level we will use tallest, or in lowest level we will use shortest. So there are the 3 degrees of adjectives, as you have learned these degrees in your previous classes too. So adjective have the following 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. So in positive we will write a simple word which is tall, and in comparative we will add er with the word will become taller, and in superlative case we will add est with the word, so our word will become now tallest. So tall, taller, tallest. Okay, so let's discuss the types of comparative forms. We will discuss 3 today: for the single syllable, double syllable and double syllable with the concept of more or less before them. Okay, so let's start it now. Our first example is about single syllable, and we can take big as the single syllable. When you say big, big, you can hear it big. So we can hear only one sound. Okay, so it is having only one syllable. So for one syllable words, we just add er or est with the words. Like if we add er with big, then it will become bigger, and if we add est with the word of big, then it will become biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay, and for the double syllable words we have to do the same thing, but if there are the words like happy, so we have to remove the letter y, and then we will put there ier for the comparative degree, and for superlative iest. Then it will become happy, happier, and happiest. Now come to the last example, third example, which is about many double syllable words. So many double syllable words retain their positive form. They remain as it is. We will not add er or est with their positive form. So what is the change in this degree? So my student, in these types of superlative degrees, we will just add more, most, or less before the positive form of these degrees. Okay. So here we can see an example of a dog for these type of superlative degrees. Here is an example. As a pet, a dog is more faithful than a cat. You can see the word more with faithful. Okay. So now come to your homework. Here I am giving you a worksheet. You just have to copy it on your notebook of English B. Okay. You have to solve it by your own self. The first one is Danish is better than Anam in math, but Iraj is the dash of all three. So here we know that the word good has the 3 degrees of good, better, best, and this is the comparison of 3. So we will write here best. And now you have to do the rest of the worksheet by your own self. Okay? Allah Hafiz.